2011 Toyota Tundra wheel stud. It's gotta take your rotor off, caliper and caliper bracket, and you'll have full access to it. I'd recommend cleaning the hole with a pipe brush or end of this ratchet. Good. Most convenient way is to use a impact to drive it in, and also the wheel stud installer. If you don't have that, you can use a few washers, that way there's not as much friction. Make sure to put some lubricant on it so it eventually get really hot, and that's what can make it more difficult and harder on your stud installer bearing, which is this little bearing in it. You have to get it all the way in, because when you put your wheel on and tighten your studs, it'll finish that off. There you go. And to get them out, you can just put your lug nut on and hammer them out. Just be careful not to dent your hub alignment ring.